The Adventures of Hash Brown Birds. Volume 1. Hash brown bird. Ooh, I want some taste of hash browns. Give me some. Hey, stay in your seat, sweet. Yeah, it's nice to share, huh? Even if it is with birds. We gotta leave them alone, then they'll eat them.
No, my time to put that to the other side. I want to go in the piggy.
Okay. Where's those birds? I'm a bird watcher. I'm a bird watcher. Watching birds go by. My. I think my singing might be scaring them off. I got a video of you, Sweet Pea. I got a video of you in there climbing the ropes. Good job. I wish I could zoom this thing in from here.